In a narration found in Sunan Abu Dawood, number 4992, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, indicated that speaking about everything one hears to others is enough to make them sinful. It is important to note, one should firstly ensure they only listen to lawful speech, as actively participating in a conversation which involves sinful speech will negatively affect them in both worlds. A Muslim should try to avoid conversations involving vain and useless speech, as this often leads to sinful speech and is a waste of one's precious time, which will be a great regret for them on Judgment Day, especially when they observe the reward given to those who utilize their time correctly. Secondly, they should ensure that they do not relate everything they hear to others, as this can easily lead to backbiting and slandering, which are major sins. It also often leads to fractured and broken relationships, especially amongst relatives, as negative feelings are generated in the hearts of people when they hear things that were not intended for them. A Muslim should only relate things they hear if they can avoid sins, and if the information is beneficial to others. In addition, the information they pass on must be verified and authentic, as conveying things which are not verified contradicts the command of the Holy Quran. A Muslim who intends to benefit people may well harm them by acting in this manner. Chapter 49 Al-Hujurat, verse 6.
O you who have believed, if there comes to you a disobedient one with information, investigate, lest you harm a people out of ignorance and become, over what you have done, regretful.
One must instead control their speech so that they only speak good or remain silent, as vain and sinful speech only leads to stress and trouble in both worlds. One must adopt good company in order to avoid listening to vain or sinful speech. This would also prevent them from passing on vain or sinful speech to a third party. To conclude, just like a Muslim would not like most of the things they discuss to be spread to others, they should not treat what others say in this manner either. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.